What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I have another stoichiometric question which relates the masses of two reactants to each other. So we have ammonia plus oxygen, it gives us nitrogen and water. How many grams of ammonia are consumed per gram of O2? So the first thing I need to know if it's balanced or not. As you see here, it's not balanced. So we have 2 nitrogen here and 2 times 3 here, 6, so it's going to be 3. And then we have 3 oxygen, so it's going to be 3 over 2. So it's better to multiply everything by 2 to get rid of this fraction. So it will be 4 NH3 plus 3 O2 gives us 2 N2 plus 6 H2O. So now we have 12 hydrogen from both sides, 6 oxygen from both sides, and 4 nitrogen both sides. So since it's balanced, for every 4 moles of ammonia, we need to have 3 moles of oxygen. Every 4 moles of ammonia, 3 moles of oxygen. It says how many grams of ammonia we need for every 1 gram per gram of oxygen here. So the first thing I need to know, the molar mass of O2 is 2 times 15.999, which is going to be 31.998 grams per mole. So if I want to find the number of moles, we divide mass, which is 1 grams, by molar mass, 1 divided by 31.998, which is going to be 0.031 moles. Then we have the ratio 4 and 3, and here we have 0.031. How much we have here? So cross multiplication, 4 times 0.031 divided by 3, which makes it 0.0413 moles. Then I need to convert it back to grams. We need to know the molar mass of NH3 ammonia, which is 14.006 plus 3 times 1.008. That's the atomic mass of hydrogen. (17.03 grams per mole). So M mass will be N times M, number of moles times molar mass. Number of moles is 0.0413. Molar mass 17.03. That's going to be 0.703 grams. So that's the mass of ammonia needed to react with 1 gram of oxygen if you want to have a stoichiometric relationship. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of other videos regarding stoichiometry and other topics in chemistry or math. Thank you and have a great day.